Hello, this video will instruct you how to make a fun and spiky flower using Flower Camp Mini Flower Bundle. And this is template 3, but we're using the center to create a flower. So you'll cut 18 of them at the sizes noted at the beginning of the video in the instruction document, and the instructions are also saved to my Facebook page in the 2022 Crafting Happy Hour Instructions photo album. So again, we're going to roll everything, and with your 8-inch dowel rod you can roll the 2 sepals up. So just pinch your dowel rod around each of the petals. Okay, and then for the actual centers, now I'm making mine 2-tone, but you can also do them one solid color. I like the little bit of shading when you do 2 of them. And we're just gonna pinch a super skinny dowel rod. Now this is actually skinnier than the 1/8-inch dowel rod. So you could use a toothpick, end of a paintbrush, anything that is smooth and round. Okay, and you'll do that for all of your petals. Now we're going to take our flower shaping mat and our 2 colors. We're going to get a metal ball stylus, so they come in a pack of 4. So we're going to use the smaller ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I cut a little extra on this one. So we're going to start with the darker. And then we're going to roll the petals where they meet the base with our metal ball stylus on your flower shaping mat. And we're just going to place the petals in between the previous layer's petals. So come straight down and place it right in between. And we'll go back to the darker color, and we're just going to keep adding them till we have about 5, 6, 7 centers left. Depends. Just keep rotating it around. And you just roll the center where the petals meet the base. Okay, now that we're down to our last 7, I'm going to stack them. And we're going to take our precision scissors and we're going to cut in between. And this is going to allow us to really roll into the center. So you can go every other petal or you can go in between each petal. And you're only going to cut ever so slightly. Because you don't want to cut your petals off. Again, just a tiny little sliver in between each one, or you can go every other petal, whichever you're more comfortable with. And like I said, this is about 7 petals that we have left. Now we're going to work from the center out. All right, so what does that mean? We're just going to start stacking them. So we need to start with the lighter color since we have a darker brown there, so, or orange. Looks like I have an extra one. So we're going to start with our top one, which will be our very center one. So we're going to roll the center really tightly, and you're just going to gather them however they fall. There should be randomness to it. We just want it scrunched together. Add a glue. We're going to glue it into our next one. Roll the center and just place it in the center there. Fold it up and around. So you can see our center is quite small, so that's why we cut in, because look how much we can really roll them up. Fold up and around. We just keep gluing one inside the other. You can do as many layers as you're comfortable or how full you want it. And that's what our center looks like. It'll fit perfectly right in there. We'll hold it there for a second, fold up the petals and around, and now we're just going to glue it right into the center. Super pretty for fall wreaths arrangements. Just trying to get my glue string. And then for your sepals, if you were stemming it, you would go ahead and make your loop. And I do have a how to stem your flower video here on YouTube. We just roll the center. And a little bit of glue. So since I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for, I'm just going to add it right to the back. And we're going to attach the second one. And there you have it. So it'd be super pretty. This is in fall colors, or oops, or you could use it in a purple color. Thank you for watching.